Hello, welcome. We have already discussed about for loop and for of loop. Let us discuss about for in loop in this lecture. Let me open the Visual Studio Code. Let me create a new JavaScript file here, for in loop.js. The for in loop is used to loop over enumerable properties of objects. Whenever you have a key value pair, for example, I will have a something like key colon value pair. When you want to iterate over this kind of objects, you can use a for in loop. For example, let user equal to, I will say name, I will say Raj, and age, I will say 25, city, I will say Bangalore. This is the object. If I want to iterate over this object, this is the key and this is the value. So name is key, Raj is a value. I want to print this value based on this key. Then I can use a for in loop. Here for let key in user. User is this object. I can print here console.log user. I can print here user of key within the square bracket. Based on the key, it will read this key and provide this value. If I run this program now, let me clear this and node for in loop.js. You can see it is providing the value here, Raj 25 Bangalore. This is the value, right? And you can also print key here. For example, if I want to print key here, key, then if I run again, you can see here it is also printing key, name, age. So you can also print key value, and if you want to print the value of that key, then you can specify this and this key. Here this key means it will store these key values. These are keys. Okay, these are keys. It means these are enumerable properties of an object. And when it is running the for loop, this user, you search based on this key, and when you do that, it will provide this value based on the key. These are values, right? This is a value, this is a value, this is a value. When you want to iterate over something like this, which has a key value pair, something like this, right? Then you use the for in loop, right? This is important. So it is important to understand which loop to use when. And also this for in loop is used with objects. So this is about for in loop. We will continue our discussion on the remaining loops in the next parts. Thank you for watching.